Okay, kids, you're gonna get the black piece of paper and put it in front of you horizontally, which means the top is long and the bottom is long. You will need your scissors and access to your glue. Now get the squares. Try to find the white square, and you're going to cut an oval or a circle as big as the paper. So really you're just kind of curving those corners so that you have an oval or a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's almost impossible to get a perfect circle and a perfect oval. Just do your best. You need 3 to 5 ovals or circles. Once you have 3 to 5 ovals or circles, you're going to get your paintbrush, dip it into the glue, and glue down those white ovals or circles onto your black paper. Those are going to be the biggest circles and the last ones in our concentric circle. Once those are all glued down, you're going to get whatever color you want and cut the smallest circle you can. Then you're going to glue that small circle onto a bigger piece of paper. Remember, you just need a little dot and glue that down. Once it's glued down and it is staying in place, then you're going to cut a bigger circle around the piece of paper you just glued down. Then you're just going to repeat this process again and again. You're going to glue that circle you just cut out onto a bigger piece of paper. Just remember, a little bit of glue. Hold it down if you need to. Make sure it's stuck. And then cut a bigger circle around the circle you just glued down. And you're going to keep going and going and going until you can't cut a circle any longer, and then you'll take that circle and glue it onto the white circle on your black piece of paper. Continue this process until you have concentric circles covering up the original white circles we glued on our black piece of paper. Again, cut a small circle, glue it onto a bigger paper, cut another circle around it, glue it onto another piece of paper, cut another circle around it, and keep going and going and going until it is just a little smaller than the white circles we put on the paper in the beginning.